Because of that downward trend, Governor DeWine is planning to scale back the statewide curfew. If Ohio has 7 straight days of hospitalizations below 3,500, the curfew will be pushed from 10 to 11 p.m. Right now, we've had 6 straight days below that number. If hospitalizations drop below 3,000 for 7 straight days, the curfew will move to midnight. And if they drop below 2,500 for 7 consecutive days, the curfew will be lifted. Tonight, 2 News reporter Caroline Moores talked with local restaurants about how this will affect business.
The potential curfew change is fully dependent on the area's local hospitalization rates. And after talking with many restaurants here, they say they will do everything they can to make that change happen.
It's great to have this extended hour, but we have to do it responsibly. Health is still a really big concern, and if we want to get to full capacity sooner than later, we have to do it responsibly.
Just hours after Governor DeWine announced a potential change to the 10 p.m. curfew, restaurants all across the Miami Valley say the change couldn't come sooner. Jimmy's Ladder 11 says the curfew has been difficult for them and their patrons.
We're all used to being able to go out and make our own choices, and it's difficult to tell grown adults that you have to leave. I'm sorry, I can't sell you anything else anymore. It's 10 o'clock.
In order to stay afloat financially, the Oregon District businesses created 937 Delivers plus organized the outdoor Dora events to serve patrons safely. Downtown Dayton Partnership says they've been able to survive the curfew restrictions by going through it together.
I have full confidence that that sense of community will continue. In fact, probably more so than ever. Because they've been through this tough time. It would be a big help for our small businesses.
Miami Valley Hospital's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Roberto Colon, advises the public to not ignore safety guidelines just because the restrictions could be lifted.
I think what we're seeing right now, this is a safe step. We have to be very careful that we don't overcorrect and loosen too much too fast. So while we are starting to see some of those easing of restrictions, we are still urging everybody to please be cautious when you are going out.